let's talk about micas, which includes this lepidolite. Micas are a group of rock-forming minerals that can be found in many different types of rocks all over the world. Micas are hydrous potassium aluminum silicate minerals that vary in their composition. Micas are phyllosilicates, meaning the silica tetrahedra that makes up the crystal structure is arranged in sheets. Micas are recognizable by their perfect basal cleavage, which breaks into thin, flexible sheets like this. You can literally peel them apart. Basal cleavage just means that the mineral breaks along only one plane. Micas have a hardness that ranges from 2.5 to 4 out of 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness, depending on the variety. Because of these factors, large pieces of mica can be really hard to cut and polish into shapes. Mica is usually found as small, pearly specks within other rocks, such as granite. Aventurine is a type of rock made up of quartz with platy mineral inclusions that give it a sparkly appearance. These platy minerals are usually micas. While micas are usually small little specks within other rocks, they can also form very large crystals. The largest crystal of mica ever found was found in Canada. It was 33 by 14 feet and weighed 330 tons. There are over 30 different minerals in the mica group, coming in all colors and vary in their compositions. The main categories of mica are muscovite mica, which is used generally for light-colored or colorless micas. This does include other varieties such as fuchsite, which is green mica. There is also biotite mica, which is a general term for darker colored micas, usually black or dark green. There's also purple mica, also known as lepidolite. Lepidolite crystals on the market are usually not solid lepidolite. It is another rock or mineral that contains lepidolite specks within it, which is why it's easier to cut, carve, and polish. It doesn't scratch as easily as just plain mica, although there is gem lepidolite that looks like this, which is just lepidolite on its own. These are very hard to polish, which is why they're usually much more expensive than regular lepidolite. Micas are a part of the monoclinic crystal system, however, they tend to form pseudo-hexagonal crystals, which means they look like hexagons even though it's not in the hexagonal system. Micas are heat resistant and they do not conduct electricity, so they have many industrial uses as well as uses in paint, makeup, and as a filler for asphalt and drywall.